Waving the old green flag of their country, Libyans stood at the headquarters of the United Nations in Cairo objecting to the death penalty.
We Libyans expelled are protesting in front of the UN to stop this tyrant verdict against those honorable men who are now held in prison. The UN claims it's fair. So where's the fairness as Libya is now scattered?
Muammar Gaddafi supporters in Egypt are protesting these politicized verdicts in Libya against our heroes who stood against NATO. Now they're being tried with harsh penalties, the death sentences. There's a big difference between the Tobruk parliament and the government in Tripoli. There are those who give pardons and those who kill.
It's the biggest gathering for Gaddafi's supporters in Cairo since the Libyan uprising in 2011 and the first in a long time.
There's a big impact. The verdict will stoke tension, increase hatred, and will lead to terminate trust between the battling parties in Libya. It will make the Morocco agreement lose its impact in the quest for peace.
Already some Libyans have given up on reconciliation talks.
We don't want reconciliation. These are thugs. Their place is in prison. They should be buried. They are criminals and Libyans must not deal with them. Libyans have the legitimacy of ruling the country. Saif Al-Islam Gaddafi represents Libyans inside and outside the country.
They've submitted a petition to the United Nations requesting its interference. The death penalties came from a court in Tripoli. Its government is not recognized by the international community.
Analysts warned of the consequences of the verdict, and if the death penalty was the straw that broke Gaddafi's supporters' silence in Cairo, his supporters in Libya could do much more. Adel, Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.